In this episode of Running Oracle on Docker, I'll show you how to create custom Docker images using the docker commit command. Docker images are typically based on scaled down or slim file systems because containers are meant to be deployed at scale. Minimizing their footprint is an important consideration when running hundreds or thousands of containers in a large environment like the cloud. Nobody ever needs to log into these containers to edit files, so editors like VI and Vim are usually not included in the base images for distributions like Oracle Linux. You may have noticed this if you've ever tried to edit a file in an Oracle database container built using the Oracle Docker repos. Fortunately, it's pretty easy to add packages. I'll use yum to install VI and less in my container. But first, I'm going to create a new container using the Oracle Linux 8 image. Now I'll install VI and less. And I now have VI and less on my container. What if I want to avoid having to do this for every container I build? If only I had an image with VI baked in. As luck has it, I can create that image using the docker commit command. I give docker commit the name of the container, in this case OEL8, and the name of the image that I want to save it to, in this case OEL8+. When I check my Docker images, I see I have this new image available to me. If I build a new container using this image, VI is available, and I'm able to edit files. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and be updated about new videos that I release on running Oracle on Docker. If you do have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks again.